So you got 100, right? And you got 25 that's a tad bit lighter. A scientist looks at that and says, dang, okay, there's two people up in here. Let me take this 25 and make me a man. Okay, well, you can't make him here around these civilized people. But you can take him over there to the island of Patmos and Pelon and get started on it. Okay. He said, yeah, because I know what you know not. He take his 25 over there, right? And he marry the lighter on to the lighter, right? Lighter on to the lighter, right? Until they get to the baby's color, right? Then he takes the baby's color, lighter on to the lighter. And it gets a little lighter, and over 600 years, all the melanin stripped out of these two is gone. Now they got blonde hair and blue eyes and uh, pinkish skin, or what they call white skin.